Construction is no longer just bricks and concrete. It's getting smarter, faster, and more futuristic than ever. From AI-powered robots to mind-blowing 3D printing and self-healing materials, the industry is reaching a whole new level. In this video, we're diving into the cutting-edge construction technologies that are changing the way we build our world. Get ready to see the future of construction. Let's jump in. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. Deck is a system of raised flooring using porcelain stoneware that gives you the look and unmitigated appeal of decking. Simple to install and easy to clean, the surface does not need any special treatment during the year, so you can furnish your outdoor space and cover it with a product in total confidence. It offers the aesthetic appeal of wooden planks and combines it with the advantages of raised flooring. The system includes height-adjustable polypropylene supports, aluminum supports and spacers that ensure a uniform distance between the porcelain stoneware tiles. The panels can be easily removed to access underlying installations such as pipes or wiring, simplifying maintenance work. The E-Deck system is compatible with various formats and allows different laying patterns to suit individual design requirements. Noyeks offers Acoustic panels, a premium line of sound-absorbing panels designed for both functional and aesthetic enhancements in various indoor environments. These panels help reduce noise levels while adding a modern, stylish touch to walls and ceilings. The Lozen panels are designed to absorb sound waves, minimizing echo and improving overall room acoustics in offices, auditoriums, schools, and homes. Made from real wood veneers on MDF core, these panels offer durability and a sophisticated finish. Available in various finishes and patterns, they enhance the look of any space while providing practical acoustic benefits. The panels come in ready-to-install modules that can be mounted on walls or ceilings with minimal effort. These panels are ideal for anyone looking to improve sound quality in a space while maintaining an elegant and modern design. Earth to Earth. The United States Environmental Protection Agency estimates over 136 million tons of waste is generated annually by residential and commercial building-related construction and demolition. This results in a disproportionate amount of waste in landfills coming from the construction industry. To combat this, the Earth to Earth project was created to focus on sustainable construction through digital fabrication techniques. The project aims to demonstrate how innovative digital methods can contribute to environmentally friendly building practices. The team employed robotic 3D printing to create ultra-thin formwork elements using clay. This approach allowed for precise and efficient fabrication of complex geometries, reducing material waste and energy consumption. The printed clay formworks were utilized to cast structures using Cleancrete, a clay-based casting process. This method replaces traditional cement with clay, significantly lowering the carbon footprint of the construction process. Profili Cobra. The Cobra flexible track by Profili is an innovative solution designed for constructing curved plasterboard structures, such as walls, ceilings, columns, arches, and cornices. Its flexibility allows for the creation of curves with varying radii, maintaining stability in the desired shape. Crafted from Z140 zinc-coated steel, the Cobra track is available in widths of 30, 50, 70, 75, and 100 millimeters, accommodating diverse design requirements. Ideal for creating a wide range of curved structures, including arches, semicircles, S-bends, and wavy ceilings. The track's design enables the formation of curves with different radii within a single structure. Easily integrates with standard vertical studs, which automatically lock into place when combined with the Cobra track, ensuring precise and stable curved walls. KEWAZO LIFTBOT. Imagine a world where heavy lifting on construction sites is no longer a back-breaking job. Well, that world is already here, and it's called the KEWAZO LIFTBOT. The LIFTBOT is a robotic hoist system designed to revolutionize material handling in the construction and industrial sectors. Instead of relying on manual lifting or traditional pulley systems, LIFTBOT autonomously lifts materials like scaffolding components, reducing labor-intensive tasks. LIFTBOT has been used at iconic construction sites, including the U.S. Capitol, as well as at major refineries like the ExxonMobil Baytown refinery. Runs on rechargeable batteries and operates without the need for cables, allowing for flexible deployment on construction sites. LIFTBOT significantly lowers the risk of workplace accidents, and studies show that using LIFTBOT can reduce labor costs by up to 70% and increase overall project speed, minimizing downtime. AggreFill is a specialized pre-coated aggregate filler developed to address larger potholes and road surface damages. Designed to work in tandem with chip fill, this two-part system offers a rapid and durable solution for repairing potholes. AggreFill serves as a filler material, enabling the repair of substantial potholes that exceed the capabilities of using chip fill alone. The combination of AggreFill and chip fill is designed for quick application and fast setting, allowing traffic to resume shortly after repairs are completed. When used together, AggreFill and chip fill create a robust and long-lasting repair that withstands various weather conditions and traffic loads. This method ensures a durable and traffic-ready repair within approximately 20 minutes, depending on ambient conditions. The Eurobrick X-Clad system is a lightweight, insulated brick slip cladding system designed for both new constructions and retrofit projects. It provides the traditional appearance of brickwork while offering modern insulation benefits and a simplified installation process. Weighing significantly less than traditional brick, X-Clad is suitable for a variety of applications, including timber frames, steel structures, and masonry buildings. The system integrates insulation within the cladding, enhancing energy efficiency and helping to meet building regulations for thermal performance. Uses real brick slips that provide the same aesthetic appeal as traditional brickwork, available in a range of styles and colors. Can be used on both new projects and existing buildings, making it ideal for modernizations, extensions, or energy efficiency upgrades. The Rhino carbon fiber concrete crack lock stitches are high-strength carbon fiber reinforcements designed to repair and stabilize cracks in concrete structures. These innovative stitches provide a durable, long-term solution for repairing cracked foundations, slabs, and walls by increasing the structural integrity of the affected area. Made from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, which is stronger than steel but much lighter, provides reinforcement that prevents cracks from expanding over time. Unlike traditional steel staples, these stitches sit flush with the concrete surface and can be easily covered with epoxy or other coatings. Unlike simple crack filling, the crack lock system mechanically stabilizes the concrete, preventing future movement and additional cracking. The installation process is straightforward and can be completed in a short time. Titan Spray Foam Roofing is a high-performance roofing system that uses spray polyurethane foam to create a seamless, durable, and energy-efficient protective layer on various roof types. This system is designed to improve insulation, waterproofing, and structural integrity, making it a popular choice for commercial, industrial, and residential buildings. The spray foam is applied as a liquid, which expands and solidifies into a seamless, monolithic layer. Eliminates joints and seams where water can penetrate, reducing the risk of leaks. Strengthens and enhances the structural integrity of the roof, reducing stress on the building. Can be applied directly over existing roofs, reducing the need for costly tear-offs. Titan Spray Foam Roofing is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable, energy-efficient, and cost-effective roofing solution. AFS Logicwall is an advanced, load-bearing wall system designed for multi-residential, commercial, and industrial construction. It consists of factory-manufactured, lightweight fiber cement, lined panels that are delivered to the site and then filled with concrete. This system provides a faster, stronger, and more efficient alternative to traditional masonry or in-situ concrete walls. Preformed panels arrive on-site ready to install, reducing labor time. Once positioned, the panels act as permanent formwork, eliminating the need for extra temporary structures. The hollow panels are simply core-filled with concrete, suitable for multi-story buildings, basements, and retaining walls. The panels are quickly assembled and reinforced where required, suitable for multi-story buildings, basements, and retaining walls. AFS Logicwall is widely adopted in modern construction due to its speed, strength, and efficiency, making it a preferred choice for developers and builders looking to streamline projects without compromising quality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest content. Which invention stood out to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next one.